Greetings fellow YouTubers, this is the Budget Army channel with yet another exciting video for your viewing pleasure. Well, I just participated in the GSSF match today. That's the Glock Shooting Sports Foundation match in Morganton, North Carolina. A little bit of a drive for me, but well worth it. And I participated with my friend OilTheGun. And actually it's his fault I got involved in it at all. But I'm glad that he asked me to join him today. Membership to GSSF is $35 and each division is $25. So I mean, your membership's good for a year, and you also get you join the Glock purchase program, which gives you a discount, a pretty heavy discount, a good discount on one pistol per year, and other benefits like that. Of course, entrance into Glock Shooting Sports Foundation matches, or the ability to do that. And I had registered. Of course, I became a member, and I registered for one division. And OilTheGun said, no, you need to go 2 divisions because that's what I'm doing. So he graciously paid for a 2nd division for me to participate in, just out of the kindness of his heart. And I thank him for that, genuinely thank him for that. So here's a video of my participation that day. And how did I do? Let's just say I had a great time. I recommend anybody out there who has a Glock to go ahead and participate. I got this neat hat there. Actually, I bought it for my wife because it is her Glock, and she went ahead and let me use it, and she let me go ahead and basically spend the day with my buddy. And so, great time. I'll leave the information, link to the information, GSSF online below, and then here we go.
Is the shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
Shooter's ready.
Right.
Aye. 697. Shooter's ready. Stand by. Go ahead. Okay. 1668. 1660. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Come back and scan. Make sure you got that steel. I'll tell you how much. I'm on
948. 2 Alpha, 3 Charlie, 1 Delta. 6. 1 Alpha. We'll go stand by. All right.
Yeah, this is good.
Just relax. You dry?
Yeah, I'm dry.
Okay.
Ed, I wasn't supposed to see that before I went.
I know. I can't tell.
Yeah, you're getting low right at the on the bar.
Sometimes if you have 1 or 2 on one plate, it may help you to go ahead and move transition to another plate.
I shall try that.
Now wait a minute. How's this thing?
You're shooting low left, which is typical on Glocks. You may want to get a little bit different aiming point on that plate.
Make ready when you're ready. Stand by.
There you go.
Man,
It's difficult if you've never done it before.
Looks like it's
Hey, you gotta.
it's harder than it looks.
Yeah, it really is.
on your car.
Not on my person, in the truck.
I feel like I need all of them.
You'll do good.
All right.
Shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
All right, Ed, your initial impressions of GSSF.
Oh, I had a blast. I mean, I sucked, but I had a blast. I mean, I think I did okay in the first couple stages, but man, for some reason, I just couldn't hit the plates. They just got smaller and smaller and smaller. But it's harder than it looks. I'd say the range is probably what, 10 yards maybe, right around there. And I haven't shot 56 on it. But hey, I had fun. Everybody get out there and do it.